How to fix the Uber Eats promo code not applied. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're not able to use the Uber Eats promo codes, here is how you can do it. Step 1. Let's try to apply the promo code. For this, open the Uber Eats application. Log in using your credentials, and once that is done, tap the account option which is on the bottom right corner. Tap on it and you will land to another page. Scroll down and find promotions. Tap on it. Now paste your promo code in the provided space and then tap on claim promo to apply it. Sometimes the issue could be on a specific promo code. So try using a different one if it is available to you. However, if it does not work, we might have to clear the app cache and data. For this, go back to your home page and select on Uber Eats. Long press the application and click on App Info button. Then navigate to Storage and Cache and clear the cache and the data as well. Confirm by tapping on Delete and it might ask you to log in to the app again. Now this is done, you'll have to check for updates and reinstall the app. This can be done using the Play Store or App Store. If available, also try to update the app. If updating does not help, uninstall the app and reinstall it. Then retry applying the promo code, which should probably work. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.